Hi, boys and girls. I want to talk to you about our skill that we're going to begin tomorrow. I want to give you a chance to practice tonight so that we can hit the ground running on money tomorrow during math. We're collecting money for pennies for pasta. But I have some money here that I really need help counting before I put it in the jar. Can you help me? When the coins are all mixed up and spread out like this, it makes it really difficult to count. An easier way would be to put all of the light coins together. So I have 2 quarters. I'm going to put them together. I have 2 dimes. Looks like I have 4 pennies and I have 1 nickel. But wait, this still seems a little difficult. Let's try a different way. I know that the quarters are worth the most, so I'm going to start with my quarters. Then my dimes are worth the next highest amount. Then nickels and pennies. Now, how do I know this? Think back to first grade. I know quarters are worth 25 cents, dimes are 10, nickels are 5, and pennies are each worth 1. Let's count this in a way that makes sense. I've put my coins in order from largest to smallest. This is going to make it easier to count. So I know my quarters are each worth 25 cents. So I'm just going to label 25. My dimes are each worth 10. My nickels worth 5. And my pennies are each worth 1. Now, using what I know about skip counting and adding, I can count each coin, adding on each value as I go. So 1 quarter would be 25. 2 quarters would be 50, plus 10 more would be 60, plus another 10 would be 70, plus 5 would be 75, and then I'm just going to count by 1, 76, 77, 78, 79. Putting these coins in order from largest to smallest makes sense to count because I can skip count my largest values first all the way to my smallest values and get 79 cents. Here's some money a friend brought in. Can you help me count this money as well? What is our largest coin? The quarter is our largest coin. So what we're going to do is draw the quarter and we're going to write the value inside the coin. Then once I've taken the quarter out, I'm just going to cross it out on my screen or on my paper, like when you're going to get the chance to do it too. The next largest coin value is the dime. And I'm going to write 10 because that's how much the dime is worth. And I cross it out. Then we have 3 nickels. And I'm going to cross out each one. 1, 2, 3. And we have 2 pennies. And I put 5s inside the nickels because they're worth 5. And 1s inside the pennies because they're worth 1 cent each. Now we're going to count. We have the values, so all we do now is skip count underneath. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. Plus 10 more would be 35 cents, plus 5 more, 40 cents, plus 5 more again, 45, plus 5 more, 50, plus 1 more is 51, plus 1 more is 52. So then you can skip count and check your work. You have 25, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52. These coins represent 52 cents, and we know that because we put it in order from largest value coin to least value coin, and then we skip counted based on their values. Now, do you think you're ready to try? See this next example and bring your paper in tomorrow. Go ahead and draw these coins. Then, draw them in order from largest value to smallest value. Then I want you to count the coins like we've done so far. Just remember to pause the video if you need more time. See you guys tomorrow, and don't forget, we still need money for our jar.